In a home that truly feels like a sanctuary, spring is nature's gentle reminder to lighten, clear, and invite fresh energy in. A spring home reset is not about deep cleaning or a full renovation. It is a thoughtful sequence of small, intentional changes that help your space feel brighter, calmer, and more aligned with the season. Here's how it works in just 15 minutes. First, open the windows wide, even for 10 minutes, and let fresh air move through every room. Next, edit the surfaces. Remove anything that feels heavy from winter and replace them with lighter textiles, fresh greenery, and a few seasonal accents. Refresh your lighting. Swap heavy curtains for sheer ones and add soft lamps to create a gentle glow as the days grow longer. Introduce a light, uplifting scent. A citrus or herbal diffuser can instantly brighten the energy of a room. Finally, create a small daily ritual. 10 minutes each morning or evening to tidy one space and reset the feeling of your home. These simple acts, repeated consistently, help your home feel alive again. The full step-by-step guide, along with room-by-room sensory checklists for every space in your home, is waiting for you in our free resource, the Flatiron Sanctuary Guide. Download it today at the link in bio or in the description below. Thank you for being here.